The markets continue to keep us on our toes in 2024 with the election, fluctuating interest rates, and global socioeconomic events. Uncertainty and volatility were at all-time highs, but investing doesn't have to feel overwhelming. If you're interested in learning more about investing to ease your concerns, join me, Juli Erhart-Graves, and Shane Fagan for a free workshop designed to help you feel more confident about your financial future. We'll discuss the history of investing, put 2024 into perspective, and share expectations for 2025 and beyond, with plenty of time for questions. This workshop will be held on Wednesday, April 16th from 6 to 7:30 p.m., and you're welcome to bring a friend. For more information or to register, visit our website at wefinancialadvisors.com or find us on Eventbrite. We look forward to sharing information and insights with you. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and check out the rest of our 2025 workshop lineup.